Hello everyone, welcome back to Angshuman Sinha Mathematics channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some question related to class 11 relation and function chapter. So, coming to the question, let us take the first question. What is given in the first question? Find the domain for which the function fx 2x square minus 1 and gx 1 minus 3x are equal. So, here fx is equal to 2x square minus 1, gx is equal to 1 minus 3x. Now, the value of x for which these two functions should be equal. The value of x for which these two functions will be equal, that is called the domain of. Okay. Now, for finding the domain, we have to do fx is equal to gx, that means 2x square minus 1 should be equal to 1 minus 3x, that means 2x square plus 3x minus 2, that is equals to 0, 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0. So, x plus 2 and this is 2x should be taken common, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So, the value of x is equal to 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So, the value of x would be minus 2 and from 2x minus 1 equal to 0, we are getting x is equal to half. So, the domain, the required domain that should be minus 2 to half. Okay. Minus 2 to half. So, this is the required domain, or we can say that set of values of x. So, the set of values of x that should be this, for which these two functions should be equal. Next move to another question. Second question, is the relation be a function? Now, the relation is defined here. This is the relation is given here, and we have to told that is this relation be a function. Now, for this relation to be a function, we have to clear the idea about the function. Now, what is a function? A function f from set x to y, we can say that this f be a function if each pre-image of f has one unique image at y. Okay. Each pre-image of f has one unique image at y, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for 1 there should be one image, for 2 there should be one image, for 3 there should be one image, and for 4 there should be one image. These are the pre-image, these are the image. Okay, I am telling or here x and y be are two non-empty sets. So, we can say that f be a function if every element of x has an equal image in y. Okay, every I am writing here, every element of x has an unique image in y. If so, then we can say that this f be a function. Now we have to see here that here if we see this order pair, that is 2, 3 and 2, 7. Now in this relation, this is the element of the first set and this is his image. So here also the element 2 of the same set, has 2 image, okay, not unique. So the element 2 has 2 images which is not unique, okay, 2 images which is not unique image. So element 2 has not unique image. So we can say that this relation is not a function. Okay, next move to another. Now in this question, a is given -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and f a to z be a function, and it is defined as x square minus 2x minus 3. So we have to find the range of f. Now range of f means the image of set A in Z, the image of set A in Z, the image of for every element. Now so we are putting the values of these values according to this function. So first f of -2, we are getting -2 square -2 into -2 -3, 4 plus 4 minus 3, that means 5. Now for f is equal to f of -1, what we are getting? We are getting -1 square -2 into -1 minus 3. So 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is equals to 0. Next f of 0 equals to 0 minus 0 minus 3, that means minus 3. F of 1, that is equals to 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3, that equals to 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is equals to minus 4. F of 2, that is equals to 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 4 minus 3. So if you cancel it, so the range of f, that should be in Z, obviously range of f should be minus, from minus we will start -4, then -3, then 0, then +5. So this will be the range of f. So that's it for this video. We will come and join for some more video related to any other topics. Till then, keep watching and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.